in a second. All right. We are ready, Freddy. We are ready, Freddy's. Okay. Today, very similar to how we did a couple days ago, we're still adding fractions, but we're kicking it up a notch. Okay? Another notch. Will you pass one of these out to everybody? You want to be on the side of the worksheet stands for virtual friend. Let me make sure you've got the same thing that we do. Yep, you've got both pages. So we're going to be doing page 1 together in class, and then page 2 you're going to do on your own, okay? So, Sophie is quickly handing out our worksheets in here, and I'm going to put the first problem on the board just to kind of start getting us going. Uh-oh. Okay, I don't know what happened to my 3 over here. Let's try again. Looks a little crazy. Okay, so as you guys can see today, we're still adding fractions, except that they're mixed number fractions. So let's talk about how that's going to look. I could do this 2 different ways. Let's start with the easier way. I can just add the whole numbers. So the 5 and the 7. What is 5 plus 7? 12. So I'm going to have 12 whole things. Now I've got to add the fractions. Can I just do that part like I did yesterday and butterfly them?
Yeah.
Kendall sang a song for us that went a little something like, butterfly, yes. So I'm going to go with that. And butterfly, yes. So 3 times 1 is
5, or not 5.
Oh my, it's a 3. 5 times 1 is 5. I add those together and I get 8. And then I multiply the bottom. 3 times 5, 15. So my answer,
12, 15.
yeah, 8 15ths. I put that with my whole number that's up here.
Wait, Miss Beck, question.
Okay.
Question.
How did we feel about that? Can I reduce 8 15ths?
I have a question.
No. Hang on. Whoa. I don't know why a bunch of you are talking right now. I do appreciate that a few of you raised your hands because you have questions about what's going on. But those of you that decided that it's automatic, like, oh, I get it, so let me just have a conversation with my friend. No. Okay, friends with their hands raised, I'm just going to go front to back. Jason.
Wait, so were we multiplying yesterday as well? Yesterday when we were doing.
This is how we did adding fractions yesterday. Yeah, don't let this blow your mind too badly. We're adding fractions, but we used butterfly multiplication to add.
Now I know
fractions.
why I got almost everything wrong yesterday. Because I wasn't multiplying.
Multiplying. Anytime you butterfly, it's a multiply thing. Because look, the butterfly wings are also like an X, like multiply.
And that's why you use it for comparing.
You can compare doing this
Why do you hold the butterfly in?
because it looks like a little bit. I could give it. You could give antennas too, and now it's a butterfly.
With a plus sign. Far apart.
Okay. All right, Lily, question.
Oh, darn.
Death. I'm gonna just send an email. I think to the 3rd grade. Yes.
Can we do both sides of the worksheet or just one?
Oh, we already answered. Yes or no? I answered that.
Yes.
Okay. One more time. The front side of the worksheet we're gonna go through together today. The
Okay.
second page, you guys are gonna do on your own, and I'm gonna grade it.
Oh dear.
Now, wait. Hang on, Lies. Let me rewind. Let me rephrase that. I'm going to check it. It's not going in the grade book, but I will check yes or no if you got it right or wrong. Kane. Oh, I thought your hand was raised, yo. He's just like chilling in like a hand half raised kind of a way back here. Fiona.
Wait, what?
On this one, all of the denominators are the same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, that is exciting. Let's look at tomorrow's worksheet won't be as friendly. Let's look at number 2. Okay,
These ones that you do the other ones.
let's look at number 2. I've got, again, I don't know why some of you are talking so much, okay? 4, and then fix it. If you're sorry, then fix it. 4 3/10 plus
4 and 1/4.
4 1/4. Okay, what's the first thing I should do?
Add the big numbers.
Add the big numbers, Sophie says. Okay, I'm gonna add the big numbers and I get 8. Jason, I'm coming to you on the butterfly method. So I'm gonna bring my fractions down here and I want to butterfly them. So Jason, are you with me?
Yes. 4 times 3, which would be 12.
4 times 3 is gonna be 12,
10 times 1, which would be 10, obviously.
would be 10. Now I go back to adding, okay? So Jason Morris, help me out. Now I add those two numbers,
22.
22, and then I multiply my,
40.
would be 40.
Which that
Okay,
could
calm
actually
down
be-
now. Okay,
That could
Sean
actually,
says, why is this a butterfly? Well, I just gave it antennas. Do you feel
Miss
better
Bab.
now?
No, it's on the
Miss
weeds
Bab.
though.
Miss Bab. Miss Bab.
Fine.
Miss Bab.
Can I reduce 2240?
Yes, and it can become 11.
What can I divide by?
11, 12.
Grayson, what can I divide by? I can, they're both even numbers, so I can divide them both by 2. 22 divided by 2 is 11, and 40 divided by 2 is 20. So then my answer, coming back, is 8 and 11 20ths. How are we feeling about this?
Okay.
It's okay. Is the let me flip over and check out my virtual friends. I've been looking at you. Josie, is your hand raised? Cam says she's all good. Zekel's giving me a thumbs up.
He's kind of already done.
Josie feels thumbs up. Lucas, are you feeling okay-ish? We're gonna practice a little bit more. Josie feels real thumbs up. Okay. All right. Let's go back and let's do another one.
Wait, what is it?
I feel like this right now.
It's 11, 10, and 11.
All right, I've got 5 2/3 plus 5 1/2. How about you guys do this one and let's see what you got.
Oh, okay. I thought you were doing it together.
Oh, well, I'm still here. I didn't leave. I'm going to step over here and I'm going to work it out so I can get the answer.
Oh, we're going to watch you look at these.
Miss Dad, there's a third grader at the window.
Oh, I like what happens with this.
That's my little brother. That was my
Scram!
You hit them.
Okay, I like what's about to happen in this one. This one's special. I'm going to step back over and we're going to actually go over this one together. All right.
Miss Bab, I got it.
Do you think you got it?
Got it.
Quit screaming. Nope, just quit screaming. All right, I'm looking. Kendall, I'm not nope. Lily and Riley, yes. Fiona, yes.
Miss Bab.
Did you check ours, Miss Bab?
No, your big number isn't correct.
I missed this, Miss Bab.
Babby.
Miss Bab, did you check ours?
Miss Bab.
Your fraction is wrong. No, you gotta say yes.
Zeke, she's busy.
Yes, but we need to fix that.
Miss
But
Bab.
we need to fix that, yes.
Miss Bab. Miss Bab.
Really?
It's joking.
Yes, I like that better.
I just forgot to put that in.
Yeah.
That's right, I'm a fraction, but you're gonna have to fix it. Okay, guys, let's, let me click over and look at my virtual friends, so there's no doubt some of them giving me answers. Yes, Josie. Yes, Zeke. Yes, Lucas. Awesome. Yes, Cam. You guys all got it. Whoopee. All right, I thought this one might confuse you, so let's. What is that, 17? Or what is that number? Yeah, I'm confused too. Okay, here we go, guys. If I add my whole numbers, I've got 5 plus 5 is 10. Now I'm going to come down here with my fractions, and I've got 2/3 and 1/2. So when I butterfly these, I get a 3,
4,
and a 4. So adding 4 plus 3 is
7.
multiply my bottom. 3 times 2
11 and 7.
6.
11, 7, and 1, 6. Wait, 11 and 1.
Okay, but this is an improper fraction, so I need to fix this. Some of you gave me 10 and 7/6.
It's still right.
You're not wrong.
Yeah,
But I don't know that you're right either, because nobody would write a mixed number that has a number and an improper fraction. That's not really right. So we need to fix this part of it. So 6 goes into 7 how many times? Once. So I've got a whole number 1. And then how many would I have left over? 1. So now I've got to take this 1 and 1/6 and add it to the 10.
It's 11.
So it would be
11.
Sophie saying 11 and 1/6. Everybody understand what happened there? How it went from 10 and 7/6 to 11 and 1/6. I don't know where that denominator came from. The denominator should be 6, Kendall.
You
Because 3 times 2. What? Stop talking. If you are not named Kendall right now, I'm like, Kendall, show me your answer. I'm talking to Kendall, and like 10 of you are talking.
Yeah, this one's my second one answer. This is the second one.
The second one, what? Like the next problem on the worksheet? Not there yet, yo. I have no idea what the next problem is. You're confusing me. Okay.
You missed something on the butter.
All right, number 4. I think this might be the last one I do with you, because I think you guys are getting this.
Can we do this one?
5.5 plus 5 and 3/5. Actually, pause. Everybody put your pencils, markers down. Stop. I know some of you already did this. Hands in the air. Waving like you just don't care. Okay, now eyes on me. I'm going to show you the other way to do this. Okay? Take a deep breath. We're going to do the other way. This will be important later when we subtract fractions. But you can add fractions this way too. Okay? You cannot subtract fractions the way that we've been adding them right now. But so I need, okay, you can put your hands down, Parker. Lily,
I'm thinking on how to do it.
you think, what am I going to do? Lily thinks she's going to read my mind.
Are you gonna put it in a fraction?
Okay, the other way to do it is to change the mixed numbers to an improper fraction, and then you can butterfly it. Okay, you end up doing big multiplication problems that way, so it ends up more difficult for adding. But I just want you guys to know that that's another way that you can do it. So let me show you what that looks like. If you remember, it's been like a week. So let's put our thinking caps on and think back to mixed number to improper. To do that, I have to multiply down here. 2 times 5 is 10. Then what do I do?
11.
I add that to the numerator. So I've got 11 over 2. Okay. Now on this side, 5 times 5 is
See, no, that's way
25.
easier.
25 plus 3,
28.
28. And I put it on top of my 5. So you might think this way is easier to change them improper first. Now, but can I just add them? No, because I don't have the same denominator. But I could, now I can butterfly. I have to do 28 times 2. I don't know 28 times 2. I'm going to come do this. 8 times 2 is 16. 4. It's 56. 11 times 5. I can do that one. 55. So now I need to do 56. What is 55? Stop all the talking.
111.
Is 11, 10, 11. Okay, so 111 is my numerator. And 2 times 5?
10.
10. This is my fraction, but now I have to like fix this.
What? I got to
So how many times does 10 go into 111?
11 times.
11 times. And I would have
1 out of 10.
1 left over. Okay? So there ends up being a lot of extra stuff you have to do this way. Can you do it this way?
No, but it takes too much time.
We have to.
Do you have to do it this way?
This is like 20 minutes of your life.
Okay, that just took 20 minutes of Sean's life, just in case anybody was curious. So I think I could rewind the timer on recording it. We can even check. I think it was like
You get the idea. You
3 minutes tops,
Wait,
like probably
still,
closer to 2.
add them all up.
But if I did all the
Wait.
problems, add them up. It
What
would
is
be-
Yeah, do the math.
Okay,
Was the 11 one?
I don't know what number we were on. Let's do number 6.
Yeah, that's the no.
Skip number 5.
Yeah, guys, you see number
Okay, I wrote down number 6.
Did we do number
1
4?
and 2/3
So
plus
we leave number 5 blank.
Okay.
9 and 3/4.
Okay, this one. We
All right, so I've got,
got 10.
oh, you guys do this one.
Okay. Why?
Okay, because I said so.
I missed that. Did you skip 4?
I skipped 5.
This dab of finish.
What? Not count.
I don't know about your fraction, Zeke. Oh, wait, never mind. That's your old answer. Josie, I'm going with no.
Miss Bab. Miss Bab. I think I have it.
Your big number's wrong. Riley's got it. Lily's got it.
Oh. How's the other one?
I was fixing the one that I would have.
Miss Bab, do I have it?
I already had it.
Miss Bab, what about now?
Lucas, yes, you do. You nailed it.
Miss Bab.
Awesome job. I love that you were like first out of the gate with the
Miss
virtual case.
Bab.
Yeah,
I got it, but it's not working.
It's 12.
Zeke, that's sad. Hold up a piece of paper and show me the answer. No, I don't like the fraction. I like
Wait, I fixed it. It's working now. Wait, check in the chat.
I do like yours.
Miss Bab.
Zeke.
Miss Bab.
Yes.
Goal. You got it.
Now reduce it.
You can't reduce this fraction if you got it right. No, thanks.
What did I do wrong?
I don't know. Yes.
Well, I got it right. I need to reduce it.
Miss Bab, I think it's the entire back.
Oh, I did fraction.
I think it's the entire back.
Missy Bab. Wait.
Sean, raise your hand. Oh, you just need to know.
Bab. Okay, so what?
No.
You said. This is. Yeah. Oh, I'm both now. It's bad. Oh, okay.
Yes.
I
Yes.
I figured it out. And
No.
I don't know if I can do this.
You can do it.
Everybody do the same problem.
Yes.
I did number 6. I went out of order. Okay. Lucas is. Okay, guys, hot off the press. Lucas is ahead of us.
So it'll be 11.
All right, Lucas.
Go ahead.
I see you. I see what you're doing here.
Really, Lucas?
And I kind of secretly love it. It's not even a secret. I love it. Okay, let me catch up to Lucas. Did you guys? Let me. You guys are killing me. Okay. I know you messed up when you did this. Okay. So I said, all right, I want to go over this one real quick because I have a few friends that had a misconception about the fraction part. So let's come down and do the fraction part real quick. Stop. I'm still gonna go
It's
over
11
it.
and 5/12.
Why?
Yeah.
All right, that gives me a 9. That gives me an 8. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 3 times 4 is 12. How many times does 12 go into 7? This is where you guys are messing up, reducing down these improper fractions. How many times does 12 go into 17? Once.
Miss Bab, I wrote down the wrong numbers. That's why I was getting it wrong.
Oh, well, yeah, you have to have the right number.
Don't you have something wrong?
Sophie did a different problem also. So it's okay. I skipped one and that messed up some of you. And okay. All right. Let's see if Lucas is right on this next one. 'Cause I
Lucas, you
don't
got
know.
this, man.
All right, Lucas, you were doing number 7, right? 3.5 plus 9 and 3/5. That's what Lucas got. So let's see if you guys are right.
So that would be 12.
Dang it. Okay.
Which one are we doing?
We're on number 7.
Yeah, right.
Hello.
Calm your faces down. I'm just going to go really slow up here, and you guys can do your own board.
Okay.
11 over 10.
Just that.
Yep. Lucas, coming back to see what your answer was. Lucas! Wow. Okay, rewind me back to the first one where you said the next one. The first time you said the next one. You're right on that one.
Am I right, Miss Bab?
I don't know about her. Yes, Zeke, you're right. Lucas is so far ahead, I have no idea. Yes, but we gotta fix this.
Am I right?
Have it in contract.
I'm right. 2 times 6. 6 plus 5 is
And then how many did you have?
11.
Yeah, look at mine.
But you gotta add that 1 to the 12.
Oh,
So then it becomes 13. Yes.
do that. It would be
Yes.
13.
All right, guys. On this one, I need you to simmer down, son. Yes, you got it. All right. I want to do one more of these with you guys where, let's see here, 6 and 5. Here's the problem is that you guys, some of you are really struggling when it gets to right here because you want to come tell me that the answer is 12 and 11/10. But that can't be because I cannot put an improper fraction with a whole number. Cannot do it. So how many times does 10 go into 11? 1 time. That's a whole number 1.
So put that with the.
And then I would have 1 left over.
So 110.
I put that on my original denominator. But I've got to add this one whole number to the whole number I already had. Okay? So then it's 13 and 1, 10. Okay. All right. I'm skipping. Hold on tight. I'm on number 9.
I'll skip if you did it.
And this is the last one I think I'm going to do with you
I
guys.
know number 10.
Zico, stop talking. Don't give away
that
answers.
is easy.
This is easy.
No, number 10.
Do number 10.
Yeah. It's easy.
I already did number 10.
All right, I'm doing number 9. Okay.
I already did that too.
Oh, she said so, son. She said.
5, 8, 13, 10, 1, 3, 10.
Okay.
Okay, I think I've got it in my head. I did it in my head. Lord help me adding fractions in my head. Zeke, that looks good.
13.
Yeah, Lucas, you've got it.
Did I get it?
That is at 15 and 13.
Hang on, Lily's got it. Hang on.
Sean! Oh, wait, no. That's wrong.
Wait, who just said? I see that Lucas and Zeke have it. I don't know if anybody else has it. Virtual. I don't
Oh,
see
Miss
you guys'
Bab.
answers.
Wait, which one?
Yeah, Josie, you got it.
Miss Bab.
Yep. Yeah.
16 and 3.
Miss Bab, can you check my please?
Go, Miss Bab.
Ooh, so close.
Miss Bab.
I know.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
I counted it wrong.
Yes.
Miss Bab.
How come I do 9?
Yes.
Miss Bab.
With us, Edmund.
5 plus 2.
Yep.
That's why.
I don't like your numerator.
How
you doing, Floyd? Okay, so let's clarify the fraction. 5 times 1 is 5.
Sean, please stop.
Miss Bab, can I leave you?
You got it.
No, you can't leave.
Okay,
Can I leave the
okay. Yes, you may. I'm gonna review this answer, but it really looks like you guys are with me on this. So you've got page 2 if you're a virtual friend, or the other side of this worksheet if you're here. And then when you're done with math, flip back over and finish whatever social studies that you don't have done yet, okay? So that's what we're gonna be working on all the way up until we hit science at 10:35, okay?
Science.
So yes, you guys are good to go now. I will give you the answer for this one if you want. Are we doing an experiment today? No, we are not. Okay, I'm gonna go. Why are we talking? 4/5 plus a half. That gives me 5 and 8. 8 plus 5 is? Nobody's paying attention anymore. 5 times 2 is?
10.
Okay, how many times does 10 go into 13?
What?
I'll have to write it over here. And I have how many left over?
3.
Okay, oh, and I need to add this. So 9 plus 6 is 15, but I've got to add that to the 1, so it actually becomes 16 and 3/10. All right, guys, you have your next, you have your worksheet to do. Practice this. I will be checking it. It's not going in the grade book, but I will be checking it to make sure we're all on the right page.
Are we not gonna have recess today?
Yeah.
No, we are.
I meant like until 10, but I was talking for them. Like,
Oh.
yeah, no, we have recess. Oh. Oh, wait, let me turn them off. Stop recording. Stop recording, Miss Bab. All right. See you guys later, Cameroon.
Bye.